Hello, Math Scholars. In this problem, Alice is riding her bike to the zoo. And she left home at 1:20 p.m. and she rode her bike for 50 minutes to reach the zoo, at which point she spent 3 hours in the zoo. When did Alice leave the zoo? So if we think about our equation that we've been using, that our final time minus our initial time is equal to our elapsed time, we'll see that we can find some very important pieces of information to find our final answer. When Alice left the zoo is really looking for our final time. So this is what we're looking for. Our initial time is when she left home, which is 1:20, and our elapsed time is a little bit more complicated. Our elapsed time, because it took her 50 minutes to reach the zoo by bike, and she spent 3 hours at the zoo, we have to add those together. So 3 hours plus 50 minutes gets me 3 hours and 50 minutes. So my elapsed time is 3 hours and 50 minutes. So, in order to find our final time, we have to think about what is 3 hours and 50 minutes after 1:20. So, in order to do that, we add them. 3 hours and 50 minutes and 1:20 added together, we get 20 plus 50 is 70. Once again, because it's 70, we have to take 60 of those, because that's an entire hour, and add it to the hours column. We're carrying that over to the hours column. So out of that 70, 60 become an hour, and we have 10 minutes left. And now in the hours column, we have the 1 hour we carried over from before. 1 plus 1 plus 3 equals 5. So our ending time, the time that Alice leave the zoo, was 5:10. So you see that the first answer choice is our correct answer.